Good morning.
New video's up. And you are in it.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't tell me how I look. How as bad as this morning.
You never look bad, Mom.
Excuse me, I'm gonna put my face on.
I thought it was on. You look beautiful.
No, I have nothing on. Nothing.
Pure beauty.
But I'm fixing to do a complete change here.
Pure beauty.
You know, and I'm gonna at least try. And that's all we can do. Every day we have to try.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're a little cold.
Hello?
Oh, my baby.
What are you doing, Mama? Say good morning. Weren't you wearing that yesterday?
Because I fell asleep.
Oh, okay. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, guys. Let me know if you have any traditions. I was watching last year's vlog of how it was, and it's funny because, like, literally a year's gone by, so you can see the differences, like, in everybody's weights. Like, since then I've lost like 50 pounds or something. I don't know how much in total I've lost, but like you can tell the difference. Grandma was a lot chunkier than too. She's lost a lot of weight. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave a link. I just gotta remember when I'm editing this, but I'm gonna leave a link. So if you guys want to watch after this video, last year's video, I'll put a link and just click on it and whoop, you'll be able to watch what we did last year. We played football and stuff. It was fun. I'm pretty excited just because I like being around my family and stuff. I mean, who doesn't? Well, there's people actually that don't.
Morning.
Morning. You look skinny.
Well, good morning, everybody.
Morning. Oh.
Good.
Bailey, you turd. Hello, baby. Thanks for the kiss. Hey guys, we're at the beach. I can't really see it. You happy?
Huh?
Are you happy? Awesome.
Not at work.
And that makes us happy. Just got back from the island here with Snoopy and Gumby. Say hello.
Hello, we didn't go to the island though.
Only I did. Say hi. And this is Snoop.
No! You better record me out. Edit me
You
out.
better record me out. Edit. Gosh. You look like a scary person. Can I have you plank? Plank, nerd! Nerd! I haven't planked in a long time. We should plank. Oh, nerd! You should plank right there so people like are cautious. It's funny because I told her to plank right there and a car passed right by.
I'm a speed bump.
Yeah, they'll just run you over. Nothing serious. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us and we'll just laugh along because we know that none of them have felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same. And you're to blame. I love you, Fluffs. Do you love me? I don't know if she appreciated that. Do you love me? Oh, mommy. Oh, mom. Yeah, I guess not. Grandma clogged up the toilet?
No, I did not. I just got home right now. No.
Fine.
I just got home.
How do they know that?
Well, I mean, they're gonna have to believe me because I don't lie.
That's all it turns.
Okay. So it's gonna take a little while. Tell them helicopter to turn it off because the water keeps running. I mean, we need one of these little chingaderas the new chingadere
Okay.
that goes in there.
A chingadere.
Yeah.
Say hi.
No. If we do need to use
And
it
a little
badly, we can go outside.
Like you did.
Yeah, between the door, between the house and the fence, and all you do is go like this. Ah, ah,
Okay. That is where I stopped recording.